Still, you know, disclaimer. I'm a lover of music and I have nothing against Alkaline and I'm not being biased. So,
hey, y'all, come look at this.
Did something great. The dog came and he represented Jamaica. He came and he represented Dancehall. And his fans then come out. They might not spend the amount of money where Gaza fans they spend for the Kartel show. But
you let me move your pussy wall and come down.
May I represent for one Media Fox. Media Fox. How are the latest news them lock?
One, I don't know, one Media Fox pan up. So people, you don't know, up to the line later, you see me? Alkaline over there and Skipper, you see me? You don't know Alkaline, the main headliner. And you don't know Skipper and I think some rest of the artists, I think Ski OG and Alkaline cousin Knox. Yeah, the whole works are good there. You see me? So if you don't want to get any tickets, when you don't know in a Kingston, Face by J, you don't know that a shop number 7 Mall Plaza, 20 Constant Spring Road. You understand? And you don't know Ruby's service station, I think our Gore Terrace, 62 Constant Spring Road, across from Merle Grove. Yeah, Merle Grove there so. And then it said the Trends, you don't know shop number 11 Clock Tower Plaza, Bargain Mall. You see me? Yeah, and you don't know if you're there at Portmore. Yeah, you don't know a Genius Pharmacy, Bayside, Portmore. So people, if you now go to Alkaline up to the line show, yeah, just know say this is the ticket out them there, you see me? Yeah man, roll out, you don't know the Vendetta boss, the whole team I got there, you see it? Yeah man, so we're going every day now. Cause we see some brother forward to talk something, is it?
yeah, like a fear artist.
No,
I have nothing against Alkaline still, you know. Disclaimer. I'm a lover of music and I have nothing against Alkaline and I'm not being biased. So anything that comes out of my mouth, any words, it's just me being unbiased. I'm not a biased person, okay? Alright, so let's go. What you say?
Are you ever talk about what you think about the show first? Kick it off.
Well, me not tell no lie. First and foremost, Alkaline got a great turnout at the Barclays in New York. You know what I mean? There was only it was supposed to be only Alkaline on the show. It was a one-man show and the boss get him turnout. You see me? So thumbs up to Alkaline for that. He get the key. He get the key for the city. I don't know. He say name Key Man.
Yeah.
You see me?
Yeah, so that brother, you don't know, is a Gaza man, this. Is it? Yeah, you don't know. Yeah man, and Alkaline go out him think people. You don't know. Alkaline the man himself, you don't know. I do what him do and just get the hell off of there, you see me? Yeah.
Even though we're not key, no, man. You see me, I say. But the dog say name Key Man and he get the key for the city and you see me? The girl them go crazy.
Bro.
For the show, bro.
The show full of energy still in it.
Yeah, the show full of energy.
Full of energy. The man crushed the show, dog. The show live.
Yeah.
Anyway, my 2 cents, dog. The reason why I rate Alkaline as an artist, dog.
Yeah.
If you notice, the man not follow the hype. Him and Massacre are the greatest.
Pussy.
I'm going to tell you why. Alkaline not follow the hype. You see me?
Alkaline make him mark for true. Because Alkaline I brought a boss.
That is not what
you make.
Yo, them guys are money, man, tell you that. Them money can't reason, you know, brother. Them money I love. Brother, them money get up every day and talk about brata and all that. Sometimes you wonder, brother, I them think they money made it. That's all they pan them made in a dog. I tell you, you know.
You marking a dancer.
Bro, shut the fuck up.
Fuck glad. Continue, man, continue.
Listen what I say, dog. Then, Alkaline, him not really follow the crowd.
True.
You don't know how him do it.
That's true.
But them man they from them bus from 2013. 2013? Somewhere from 2013 he touched the dancehall space.
The dancehall space, yeah.
Then the man never fall off. He never fall off. Yeah. And the thing is,
yo, boy, brother, some people be people may say same fall off in 2016, you know, but my youngest is solo Barclays Center. Sometimes I wonder because him name always a call. The artists them will really fall off, you know, hear them name in the conversation, you know. You understand? Alkaline name some wonder more while. All when Alkaline try being at the media, him name always a call. And him name I go forever always a call. I just saw it thing set, you see me?
He managed to stay relevant.
Yeah, he's relevant.
In the hype like the rest of man them. That is why the man is a great. People talk about the man every single day of their life. And you never see the man that come out and say, yo, and chat like the parrot. You see me?
Oh, why parrot?
Me don't know better. You know why parrot?
Me don't know. You say parrot, so I don't know if you know why parrot.
Oh, yeah. But anyway, another example. Look on the WYF rhythm. WYFL rhythm. See?
Why all of these? 1 second.
Bro, hold on, man.
Why all of these abbreviation in a dancehall all
we
of a sudden?
We soon touch that. But let me finish what I said, bro.
Yeah.
Do not cut me when I talk about the general them. You understand that?
All right, my G.
All right, cool. So, yo, me so close it. The big
man, a good man.
the WYF rhythm, YFL rhythm,
Yeah.
one of the biggest rhythm so far in a 2026. I'm say so far because you have a long way for going to 2026. Zane, and a 1 million artists touch rhythm that. Who artists from all walk of life. All know me the year of Massacre and all know me the year of Alkaline.
True.
And them man they still relevant and stand up.
They know if it's still relevant. You're right about that.
Yes, because majority of the dancehall, some of them are just run on the hype and the, you see me, the nostalgia where, you see me, yeah. Sometimes, if you hold on a run, go over this, so, you see me, I just the one where one them will stand out over there so people actually see. Because if you know one crowd over there, so nobody now go see them, I see the person will stand up one side. You understand? You see me? So I think set.
Issue going good.
Yeah.
I like the vibe. But then again, the key thing about the show, what people are talking about, is the way they enter the stage. So, near, you know, the Gaza fans, them, I'm going to say Sheep Nation, because I'm done with it. I run out and I say, yo, the man.
People, remember, I get the album NTP. Buy and stream it on all platforms. You understand? Yeah, man, you don't know Apple Music, iTunes, the whole of them, the whole works. So, you know what things that, yeah, man, no pussy test.
Falla. And you know me, I say, oh, him come up from underneath.
Oh, that's a part of it too. You know when I can make, listen, you see when I can create something or do something, you know, say, yeah, go have a little, sheep them and follow, you know, try to emulate it. So, continue.
And you're better say, you know. Let me ask you a question. Because you see one of you see one of, sometimes I just.
So basically, you matter about the stage entrance and everything. I just saw a thing going on. Them man, yeah, sometimes, I understand what the guys are people, you know, but sometimes, you have to just make them talk, yeah, man. You see me? Them give Kartel copyright to everything. You see me? Yeah. And especially with one artist, when him do something, yeah, them say a Kartel him for like whatsoever. But you know them stay already, is it?
Feel like me just want to take. Yo, let me ask you a question.
Yeah.
A Kartel own that style where you use coming from underneath
No,
the stage?
Kartel never own it.
Was Kartel the one who created it?
Nobody never see a Kartel.
Then why would I jump on the man?
We couldn't see a Michael Jackson.
Well, take off the jump on the man. But
We couldn't talk about Michael Jackson.
several, and Michael Jackson is the first man who actually do it.
All right, so me just assure you say.
All right.
Okay.
So why Alkaline can't come do it and wouldn't have nothing to say about it?
I know. So we have.
Let me tell you, brother. The man them just, some of them just, I don't know, it's like, if them not talk about Alkaline, them just not feel like, you know, them not feel like somebody. You see me? Because at the end of the day, them watch everything what they you do. Sometimes some of them eat till them rate, you know. Like, remember them see what everything what Alkaline do and try if you say, yo, Alkaline are full of Kartel. You have to rate somebody, so man. If you watch everything when you do. I tell you, you have to rate. You have to rate. You see it? Everything what Alkaline do, them try to pick out something. If you try to compare. I saw them money stay, dog. You see me? So them money stay.
You know, me personally, not have nothing to say about that. Me personally, not have nothing to say about
Oh,
that.
so you don't have nothing to say, oh, the
About
way
that. You see me?
But me hear them run on with it and I say, yo, you know, even I play this song if Kartel no man can swallow.
No, that's true too. No, that's true. That's true. If them can, yeah, and style when me make them one the dancehall pelly, the Jordan.
I know my first man do it. Yeah, Alkaline do it. Alkaline come do it. But on a Kartel style.
All right.
So the guys, the man, them have to take their head out of the fucking, you know when I said underground.
All right.
You know, me realize people, when something been a go on, you know, see? When something been a go on for how long, right? International. Everybody has see it and I see what I go on. See? Alright, look at now. You see when Kartel do it copyright. You see whoever do it first, them not copyright it. When Kartel do it copyright. So anybody come do it after, yeah, Kartel, them a follow. Yeah, man, I saw them see it, you know. Anybody we had do it before Kartel, you know, come like nothing. But it's when Kartel do it copyright. Yeah, man, trademark. I saw them think.
You can't take greatness from a person, regardless. Me know enough I don't know wait to hear me say, you know, whatever. Even though me still have a few things to say, but the dog did something great. The dog came and he represented Jamaica. He came and he represented dancehall. And his fans then come out. They might not spend the amount of money where Gaza fans they spend for the Kartel show, but they did come and they represent. You see me? So, you know, we can't take that from them. You have to give him the homage when deserved. You see me?
And that's the next thing, dog. Why not compare? That me not understand.
Yo, people, I saw them money stay here. Remember me tell you that. So, Alkaline fans them and who love dancehall forward out, right? Them no want, you see, because Kartel in a Barclays. So, them no want to say, alright, the youth sold out the show by himself. See? So, remember them say him couldn't do it. Now him do it, them a move the goalpost now. Remember now, compare now. You see me, 'cause I remember say Kartel are the bigger artist, right? In the game for years. Seeing him just start him arena tour and everything. Seeing? Alkaline do him show solo out Barclays by himself. You see me, youngest to do it, right? The thing is that, remember, what Alkaline is doing now have nothing to do with Vice Kartel. Alkaline are keep him show. Remember, Alkaline been keeping new rules, him show them everything. Zane, but true Vice Kartel performing at Barclays now. And to Alkaline, it come like say Barclays was there. Zane, and then Kartel start performing, it come like him own it. I saw them pre. You understand? So when Alkaline go in there now, solo out the Barclays Center, them say, yo, but not like Vice Kartel with Kartel ticket price. Remember, at the end of the day, it's sold out. Who for make them money, people them found out to ram up in there. But the comparison affided there. It affided there because I saw them do it. Them just want to. Anybody who do greatness, them always want to interject Kartel thing. You see me? Ticket price and all of them thing there. And all I know, what me know about, is the resale ticket them. And the resale ticket them, Kartel nor CJ Milan not getting no money out of that. So that them a cause a high price. Seeing? Because Kartel ticket them, the average, seeing, them not analyze them far like that. Is a resale ticket them. The resale ticket them. That are way high where people are sell back and all of them thing they choose sites. So it them a use make it look like say you a CGR or so I get that money there. And the people them who resale them ticket based on the demand, you don't know. Kartel just fall out of prison. So it them use now. Seeing? Because me know say the third show for Kartel, the ticket drop from $1,000 to $250. You see me? $1,000 to $250. So a lot of things there, but at the end of the day, everybody a make them money. I don't know why them compare Kartel show them with Alkaline. I don't know. You see me? But you know them stay already. When an artist do greatness, they might always try to compare Alkaline with Kartel. You don't know the back and forth and everything. But at the end of the day, if you Alkaline though, him create history for film era, the youngest to do it. You see me? Show say youth powerful with so much artists in the game, especially in the new era and so. Yeah. He might do that. Even some of the people who bust, some of the artists who bust before him never do it. So youth powerful in a young type of age, you see me? Yeah man.
It's not you just compare.
No, you were just say a while ago.
Yeah, him just say about Kartel ticket or different ticket, not ticket price and him a compare.
Not like. You understand me? I say, bro, let me tell you this, dog. What we should do is be happy for dancing.
So we not just
we don't love money in that.
So we not just
we love music.
So we not just tell us me happy for
No, brother.
Yo, you can't tell. So my man name that, brother. I remember one time I did on live on TikTok, I'm tell my name say, brother, I one dancehall, I saw you think I go. My name say, I know one dancehall, brother, Kartel alone. I say, alright, do the thing.
On the need for those. State what it is. Happy for the
so
man.
what do you when you did that about massacre?
Bro.
Why me can't compare but you can't compare when it comes to massacre?
No man, and I say you can't compare. And I say you can't compare.
So
but while you are compare, then you kinda downplay Alkaline
no,
in a
me
sense.
not downplay. I'm not doing that.
What you mean? That's what I do.
Yeah man, I don't play that man, cause you are say alright, you solo Barclays. Then but you say not at the ticket price. Basically everybody know Kartel attack. So you couldn't just say yo respect the youth, do it. My youngest to do it, that's it. You still when you go say something after that now, you kinda downplay when you talk about ticket price. Cause you try if you say him do it cheap, but at the end of the day, brother. Cause you know some people fall out and them talk about yo a $30-$40. You think $30 or $40 can rent Barclays Center for ticket? Would not know show busy. Sometimes I laugh. You understand? But you don't know. They're gonna spread narrative. At the end of the day, I'm my youngest to do it and want to see some more young youths come do it too. You understand? Yeah. Cause one the genre for grow. Is it?
Because why would not say Vibes Kartel or the teacher do this first?
Me never say teacher do not first, me just I'm saying the dog fans them come out.
Bro.
The ticket price might the ticket price might never did up this or like up this, but the fans them come out regardless.
Bro, even and if, because the entire stadium even if, arena
listen bro, if the price them did up there, bro, the people would have pay seeing where if you go.
Oh, you mean because the man have
know that. I know that, bro.
Right.
Because listen, you see vendetta sheep them, bro. They not
vendetta sheep. Do not use sheep on the back of that.
The vendetta sheep them.
Yo, man, I tell you, them guys are man, they can't reason, I tell you, that brother, they can't reason. I tell you.
Uno support the vendetta boss, and me love that, bro. Because guess what? Any idea? You work hard, bro. You work.
And yo, I have to big up the vendetta people. I have to do it because you see if the vendetta people never support and make the artist thing look good. Trust me, what them would not do him. You understand? They would not try bringing down more and as the youth, as the Alkaline say, success of are the best revenge. You understand? And sell out Barclays Center and Alkaline fans forward out. So none of them can't do say nothing. You see me, cause you do it and them know say a lot of artists now do it. You see me, so it's a good look for the culture, see him way. You see me?
Hard and he deserve everything we might get.
Him deserve
it, bro.
Yes.
After that, may I say?
Okay, good. The youngest man,
Nobody
one of
not
the
come-
youngest
nobody not
ever.
compare, bro.
Dog, that's history, man, youth. That is literally
Alright,
history. The youngest man sell out the entire fucking
Dog, sell out the
arena.
Barclays and we love that. What you have to say about album, the
NTP.
NTP?
Again, with the whole comparison, dog. Please, don't bother with it. You don't say the man come naming album NTP because Kartel come out with a song, not even an album, you know. It was just a song. Kartel say SYM. No, run again with the comparison.
Yeah, compare, you know.
Oh, no, do it.
Me glad I said it. Me glad I said it. Me glad I said it.
No, me know you do it, you know.
Me glad you say it, and me.
Yo, people, yeah, well, at first me I hear that, you know. At first me I hear it still. Me never to hear that about the comparison with the Kartel SYM and the NT. Because at the end of the day, brother, that been a go on a dancer, bro. When Alkaline say ATM, you know, I'm single. You understand? That been a go on, brother. This are rare, see whatever abbreviation been a go on songs and all of them good things. So, if anybody will compare that, I'm madness that. You see me, because when Kartel in a prison, Alkaline I make song name ATM, so I don't know. You see me? So I don't know new for Alkaline. Him just name the album NTP. You see me?
But anyway, it no fiery. To me, this is for me personally. I'll tell you what.
Yeah.
What me I expect really is not where really.
I know
from
what you
there.
get.
I know what we get from there.
Okay.
There's
You understand
I mean,
that.
can be honest. We read a couple of the songs, especially the one where say no emotions.
No emotion, no
There's a bit-
emotion.
Yeah.
You see that?
Yeah, man, big song. But you see, a lot of people, let me tell you, people, you have to understand, say, Alkaline is always one of that artists who try to do different things. See, and the thing is that the way how the album started out, a lot of people that look for the punches and everything. But if you realize the album start off like a storybook, like different stories, like it start off like in a motivation way. You know, a different story. You understand? Motivation way, then it go raunchy badness, then it a go in the girl song them. This year song yeah, and then it go in a quality girl song them and then the outro and everything. You understand? Yeah. So I just say everybody I have them opinion, say what they want to say. But people are gonna listen to it. You see me? Yeah, some people might listen to it one time. Cause you can't really please everybody. You see me? And some people listen music different way. You see me? But you have to really sit down and meditate music. You see me? Just that. You have to just keep on listening, then you understand.
Song there.
That one there.
Let me tell you. Me just did I go say to you, you know. For me, about 4 songs there on the album when I really like. No Emotions is one. And the next one here, Keyman, our next one.
Keyman, yeah.
And I think a Body or something like that. But you see for me, bro, on YouTube alone, at least 5 I sang them should have at least they in 9 million, bro. At least 5 I sang them on YouTube should have in 9 million.
The album that just come out about what, 2
Bro,
years ago?
you know,
Yo, me tell you about them guys. The man say 5 I sang. The song drop when? Like the album drop about Monday. Seeing people. And we're there now. 6 day now. And he must say I don't know when them do that video, I guess yesterday. I guess like but Thursday them do the video we're gone. Thursday or Wednesday. Seeing? So that like 2 days after the album. Bro, remember I said this is our album, you know, brother. You see me? Can I go on like, you know people, you know I'm glad. I just love to see when people talk about the album. You no matter how bad or good. You know why? Because since the past 2 years, 3 years I guess. Yeah, but yeah, 3 years. Since the past 3 years. This is one of the album when me ever see like, yo, the impact of the album, yeah. The bag of critics, everything, brother. I not think, boy, it's been a while we get an album where the whole world I talk about people are forward out. I say this and that and Ray. I know my love about this. My love say people start listen back to music and can critique. That's what I love. Because the dancehall space last year and them year, it was just crazy. Like it was just some madness. It never had nothing to do with music. It's controversy and you understand? And to be honest, people, for the past 2 years, I see a lot of artists been dropping albums. And to be honest, boy, it would have, may I tell you, you would have lucky if you have somebody see it and start talk about it. But you see, Alkaline album, alright, let me tell you them.
Alkaline album raised the bar for the rest of the album them we are gonna release for that year, if it release that year. You know why? Because them are gonna always remember Alkaline album. Them are always remember it for use other artists' album for compare it with Alkaline. And that I gonna give it a more talk about because you compare it with Alkaline album. You see me? Because artists been a release album, but it never get this attention, yeah. Because people out there listen to the song them. You understand? People are listen. The vendetta them out and stunting with the album. But you don't know. Some people are gonna listen to it and say what they want to say. Because some of the time I'm not really fan of the artist. Some understand. They might say this and that and way. Because they maybe have for them artists and for them used to for them artists flows and all of them little things. But this is something different. You understand? So the album here is a new album, new music. You understand? So a lot of people, the past music them used to them type of. Remember the It Scratch with Sean Storm. A them thing, they look at TikTok thing them and them look at TikTok trending song there, them love. You understand? So them used to them look at thing, they look at drama and they look at this and that. You see me? Like quality music, them not really rate them thing there, brother. You see me? But the different story, that song there, yo, it's tough because motivation. Look past the cloud, make your family proud. You see me? It's a very good motivation song. It's like that song there. It's like you just get your masters and say alright, you get a big job, your family go alright, or some greatness, some success. You get rich now and your family them alright, your family them proud of you and all of them little things. You see me? Yeah. Alright, you just going at the force and then graduation time, your family them come hug you up and yeah, it's a good motivation song, you see me? But you don't know dancehall space for the past 2-3 years or so. It's like them used to them type of rare song there. You understand? Yeah, them song there. But them are motivational song because we don't really get much motivational song in a dancehall really. You see me? Yeah, we don't really get that. You see it? But to me, the album good. It good quality. When I listen to my vehicle, trust me, good. You see me? And not everybody ever really rate it. Never please everybody. That's how it go. Nothing perfect in life. You see it?
Matter.
Or 3 days ago.
About 3 days now. It no matter, bro. It take so much time for songs get streamed. If you have so much fans out there, bro, them should I make sure say thing up and running, bro. It's supposed to hit in millions, bro. Not me not.
Brother, enough of these songs when I talk about millions of buy views in a dog. We don't understand what I go on, You understand? We don't understand what I go on. I don't feel like the song just touch millions, so brother. Enough of them songs have buy views, bro. You see it? Because there's no album. You say the album should have 5 songs that touch million. There's no album for the past years where 5 songs just turn millions in a 1 week. None. So I don't know what you're talking about, brother. And if anybody know, tell me the album there. I can be sure of that. I don't know what you're talking about. You see me?
Me not see 5 song right now we past 300,000. Me not see 5 song we past 300,000. Not saying it not do well on other charts, It is doing well on other charts. But if you want album we drop, bro, when it drop Monday, probably that one a reason why doing numbers them when me did a look for. But if you have fans, bro, all they say them are diehard vendetta fans. I mean, no say have more than 1 million fans out there. That at least 5 song them should I not do numbers in 1 million.
Within the 3 days.
Within the 3 days.
Or 4 days.
You see me?
Well, that's how you feel. But me not think
so. You see,
Yo, you see sometimes them guys are man, yeah. Where them reason? No sense. I don't know which album. Tell me it. I don't know which album about 5 songs I'll go million in 3 days. Wanna get that from? I see Kartel release 2 albums. I see much popcorn. I see brother, and I sang them no reach now in 3 days, brother. No millions in 3 days. I don't know where at them. It's a full body of work, this, brother. You understand? People have to gravitate to a favorite one, and then one by one, them go to 1 million. Remember, say song can pick up down the line and just go to 1 million, bro. Remember, say it's a full body of work. This is not a single track thing. You understand? And first of all, I think Keyman and No Emotion. I think them 1 million. I think. You see me, them 1 million already. But that is them they know would have take them the out because them they were released long time. But the new ones them are gonna pick up, brother. We're not gonna see what go on. But sometimes I feel like when I exaggerate with numbers. You see me, cause no fight time when you see all numbers, when not even know see them think they are buy views, bro. You see me, buy views.
Favorite songs on the album is Keyman, Emotion, and I have 2 other ones, can't remember the name. He's not a diehard Vendetta fan. I rate Alkaline, and I think he might do a great job at being controversial, being the type of artist that he is, and I just feel like say the album sound mediocre. Like it sound like when him just boss to me.
Nah, man.
It sound like when him just boss.
Okay, so what you say?
For me, it sound like when him just boss. It sound like his first album. Even his first album sound hotter than this album. To me.
All right. So I find that the rhythm them probably is the reason why me not enjoy the album, because
You have a point.
the rhythm them is more kind of a boring, they're more Americanized in a sense.
You have a point.
And I feel because now that him in America, because you ever hear the saying, you're in Rome, so you have to do what the
You do what Romans
them do. And me feel like because of that switch, because if you notice in I'm sure, the music them when perform, online song them full of hype. The rhythm them itself are the true authentic dancehall rhythm. Because if you really notice him hit and him strong song them will still stand firm in a dancehall.
Yeah.
The rhythm them very energetic. Them have the authentic dancehall root attached to them. This one is more of a R&B hip hop kind of beat in the whole album.
I just feel like say yo, how they construct the album, bro. I feel like they not construct the album in a one way away. Bro, when I play it, bro, I have that. You know, the vibe, bro.
In fact, you can't really remember. Yeah, say you can't really kick them there in a dancehall and get a vibe out of it.
All right, you see what? Watch it now.
Like,
Man say you can't keep them in a dancehall and no vibes. Yo, the dangerous, see that, brother? The dangerous, but it's true, it's Alkaline have talent, brother. You see me? Because at the end of the day, I love you soon today I talk about the album, because the amount of album drop for the last 2 years with a certain artists will drop album. Why? I hear on two talk about album, you know, brother. I tell you, I hear, to be honest, people, for the past couple years, well, like, I don't know, like 4 or 6 years now or so, this is one of the most controversial album ever drop. I tell you, the most controversial, yo, I tell you, look on the media, everybody, yo. I tell you, especially after the historical show, Barclays send us all out, and this got dropped, the whole world I talk about it. You see me? So, focus on the music, you see me? Because at the end of the day, I'm more than 1 year I listen, you see me? So you might have listen, I saw it go, and everybody to go please, and everybody expectation to go reach. But at the end of the day, you gotta have people out there we love it, you see me? Yeah.
You see when me go to Boom Dog and me I listen to Keyman and me I listen to Emotion, bro. Yo, me love them song, bro. Me play them several times, bro. But you see when me reach, like, it's the first song, second song, I think the third song at, and then, bro, it does not construct in a way or me would I look for construct, bro.
me think
You know
I
what
rhythm. Me think it's a rhythm them.
But you see the outro bad. The outro bad also.
Outro, yeah, but outro
Yeah.
really.
I don't album, this is just
Yo, man, I lie still. If you guys are man talk, so you know, you rate the album, you know. Because when you say outro bad, jaja. I remember say outro is not a song, you know. But the outro tough for real, it's tough. You see me? Outro tough for real. It's a nice little, you know, it sound like a ending. Yeah, it go on with the thing.
yeah, but it
Not
bad.
really to me, not really
It bad.
It's not really significant. Me think though, honestly, me think if we keep with authentic dancehall beat and stick to it in some of these songs, me understand the dancehall a change and it shift to a different era. But if it lose that root, the vibe, when you have to roll out some of the music then a dancehall, like in a party settings,
Yeah.
you're gonna get kicked out of some of them, but not all of them. You know, like the rhythm, and that's it for me.
No.
Brother, everything you have changes, brother. When you keep on one, yes, it have like a mixture, but when you keep on one, go back in a time and realize what going, bro. Bro, we are going in some different market, some beats and some different thing, brother. It just start, it a go reach out there. You understand? Look on DJ Mac rhythm. Although we not get a good amount of big song out of it, but it go on with that thing same way. You see me? Go on with that thing, the beat, every little thing. You see me? Yeah, but we have to understand, say, brother, sometimes you have to try things something new. You can't always stick. You see, like have a business, you have to keep on doing the old thing, the same old marketing. You have to try something new, brother. You understand? Down the line, it must work. You see me? It must work. That's how it go. You have to try things. You see me? But to me, the album tough. The album tough. Me listen to every song on it, I listen to it. You see me? But me have my favorite CM, I just listen, I just listen to them one year. Not say the other rest, not tough. I listen to all of them, but them one year, certain, the way, different, like what you do, all if you're in your house and you're clean, it's good to play the album. You see me? when you drive go all the country, or if you're there foreign and drive on the highway, just turn on the album. Trust me, you're gonna love it. Because you only have focus on the sounds and you drive, you're alone in your vehicle. You say if you have meds the album and you're there on some nice and you have your meds and listen to the album. You see me? I just that. And first of all, enough of not listen to the album, I'm not listen to the message. You understand? I'm not listen to the message. At that. You see me? But people, I don't know what things said.
You see, you have the fans, you know, so he sang them playing a party and he will get a forward, but them song they are not song for vibe too.
No.
You see me? I mean, what if I know Vendetta fans that will come for me? But yeah.
Man said them they are not songs with vibes too. You see, and that's why I realize is the music what people really are look out for, what them expect, those are the one when they last long. Cause trust me, when we see the reaction with the album and how people have made it and all the vibes, it's a total different thing. You understand? Majority maybe not rare, but down the line I saw it go. Sometimes some people have to react to it and get a good reaction and it get big, you know. And then the same man them will say, Ray, remember when I was Skilly Bang, Jap, wap wap. People must say, oh, what this? Scoop on my Glock, you understand? And when Skilly Bang go sign to the label, you know, and the label start market it, and the white people, them and the Jamaican people, them and the diaspora, them, I sing the song, and I wap wap wap, everybody start accept it now. What's the thing go? You see me?
The idea.
How about me a Vendetta fan?
Yeah, the idea, I'm not being biased, I'm not be, you know what I mean? Me not compare him to no other artists or me not try to be. This is just my opinion.
So that is it for the album.
So big up.
Yeah man, I saw everybody have their own opinion, you see me? I saw it go, and everybody have go please. Everybody have go hear things, and you know if you don't meet them mass, I saw it go. You see me, although sometimes a little biasness there, but I just one of them thing there.
All Vendetta fans, I mean one of our own tell me say me figure SYM. But you have an idea? I go tell them, say, yo, big up on yourself. Would I say something else, but no. But yeah.
People big up on yourself, you know, don't know one media facts, you know. Yeah man, go stream the album. You see me? Yeah man, you know anything. Just go stream it, buy it, everything, all platforms. You know anything work. I remember up to the line today. Yeah man, a mad thing man later, man. The Vendetta boss has step out. You see it? Yeah man. But people, big up on yourself. You don't know one media facts on the app. That is it.